Pennington, NJHS is here to announce some new and exciting news.
We have upgraded our bins and we are going to start recycling the right way.
This is a new design for the recycling bin. It has a wide mouth, so it's just easy to put stuff in. There's also no backlining, so you don't even have to pull out a bag.
You'll also see that it's not a trash can.
So I was thinking about getting this dress. What do you think?
It's so pretty. I love it.
I know, and it was on sale and
Stop!
everything.
What do you think you're doing? You can't recycle that. It belongs in the trash. Here's what we can and can't recycle. Aluminum, check. Metal cans, yup. Uncrumpled paper, you know it.
What about my gum? You know I like my polar ice.
Your gum can wait till trash pickup.
So to be clear, we can't recycle candy wrappers, gum wrappers, and not even glass?
Yup, you're learning.
Let's go even more in depth. Only certain types of plastics can go into these recycling bins. To check if you have a good plastic to go into these bins, there's always a plastic 1 or plastic 2 logo on here.
But always make sure that the container is clean, dry, and empty.
So you see, recycling has a big impact on our lives.
We hope you enjoyed our video. The world thanks you.